Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. We'll start with the head. I love the looks of this kitty because kitty looks really purry to me. So we'll just block in those shapes. And I just really want to capture the expression of this cat because I love it. Sometimes I'm not worried about the exact expression, but this one I am. This is where we really make corrections. Yeah, we'll pop the eyes in there. And a muzzle. Guidance for a muzzle anyways, it always changes a bit. Try that again. I like it so far. And I love to hear from you. So please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or whatever you want to tell me that you want to learn about cat drawing or whatever. Helps build our community of crazy cat artists. I always appreciate the comments. Get a bit of that body that's showing. Lovely little paws. Always my paws usually start out as ovals. Getting them in the right place to start with is the most important thing. And they don't have to be exact because of course cats can move their arms and legs around, so tweak those eyes a bit. I love that look of a content, relaxed cat. Can almost hear a kitty purring. And yes, do give our channel a subscribe. It's always appreciated. And hit that little bell so you get notifications of the next video. Another way to help the channel grow. I like the eyes. The eyes, the kind of slitted eyes, like not totally slitted, but they're getting down there. That really adds to this expression of content. Not too worried about the tips of the ears because I kind of want to keep the viewer's eye down further in the cat's face. So we just let the ear tips fade away. I like the look of those. Some of those whiskers are a little crooked and crossing each other. Adding the whiskers really finishes it, doesn't it? Thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you next time.